Hey, it's Alexander from Anthony's Espresso Equipment, and today we are going to be doing a full unboxing of the brand new LX Italia grinder. So this is the 65 Edison single dose version. And what color do we have? We have the matte black version as well. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of these, and then in a few videos you'll see all of the machines as well. And then we're also going to be unboxing the brand new Eureka espresso machines too. So stay tuned for all of those videos. There's going to be 5 big videos coming out very soon. So this is the first video in that series, so the LX 65 SD in the matte black. So let's open this espresso grinder up and see what it looks like and how it comes. Okay. There's a little note on the inside. Okay. We have our cleaning. Something for cleaning. Oh, this is for your single dose. Okay. And then we have our little hopper here. Our dosing cup. Nice to see it comes with a dosing cup as well. Wow, this got some weight to it. Wow. Awesome. This is cool. Okay. So we've got instruction manual. Got our little tool here too. Put that down. Okay. Sticker off. Now touch screen on this, which is super cool. And this matte black, which is beautiful. Yeah, this is a nice car. I'm excited to get the Ferrari red ones out. So that is a solid grinder. It's like, it's heavy. It is not a light grinder. So this sits right here. This will insert just on the plastic. Okay. It's all the way around. Now this just squishes down basically. So, make sure we're lining this up properly. And then there's a little screw at the back that will get inserted. Oh, this is nice. Just goes right there. There we go. Like I said, it's a pretty straightforward unboxing. Like I said, comes with our dosing cup as well. Just nice. So this is what you can expect with the Edison 65 SD. Like I said, we will do the 65 right after this as well, but this is what you're going to get. You're going to get your dial over here. This is a touchscreen, and then all the other features are pretty straightforward. This is a brand new line, technically from Eureka Grinders, so awesome to see that we have this amazing new line of grinders. And I'm very excited to actually test this out, and Julian and I will be doing a full in-depth review in the very near future for this grinder with the Eureka espresso machines as well. So stay tuned for those videos, and stay tuned for the other LX Italia grinders coming very soon.